How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now go to your server and tap on the three dots. Now tap on invite. Now tap on edit invite link and select neighbor. Now tap on save. Now tap on copy link. Now go back to your home screen and open up your web browser. Now search for YouTube Studio. Now open up the first website. Now tap on continue to studio. Now tap on this icon. Now go to the basic info. Now under links, tap on add link. Now enter the title Discord. Now in the URL section, paste the link you just copied. Now tap on publish. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.